Hi, Tom Edmond again. I'm kind of on a roll, so I thought, why don't I do another screencast and show you actually how to run the logistic regression. Now, I'm not going to do it in quite the step-by-step detail that I did in the previous screencast, but I think this will orient you as to what all you need to do. So what you should be seeing is familiar. It's what you ended up with after the last screencast, which is the data file with the new variable, defined values, all ready to be analyzed. So to analyze it, we go to regression, we go to binary logic, okay, and we get this dialog box. Now, because I've done this before, it's all filled out. What you need to do is pick from the variable list the dependent variables, and it's the one we just created, as well as the covariates, which are the ones specified in the assignment. There are these four. Okay. The other thing you need to do is go to the categorical dialog box and identify which of these covariates are actually categories. Okay. Again, I've already done that. It's ethnic. But one last thing you need to do is make sure that the contrast is appropriate. And the contrast we've asked you to do in the assignment is deviation. Okay. So continue. One last thing to note is the method. You can choose your method. I would prefer you use enter, but you can use any of those that we've seen previously for regression, and then you're all set to go. So you run it, okay, and you'll get an output file that presumably will look like the output file in the study notes. All right. One last caution, however, is this is a bit briefer. I did not choose everything you need to choose to complete the assignment. The plotting function, plots in particular, is something I didn't illustrate, but that's a fairly straightforward pick from some of the dialog boxes. So hopefully this helps. If you have questions, pose them in the discussion section. Thanks.